Hey guys, welcome back to our very first video of music and culture. This is where we talk all things music. Talk about music, there's this guy, Botale. I don't know if you guys remember him. He was on the Idols competition in 2021 where he came third. I think he was in the top 3. And now, as you know, he's a musician. He's been doing a lot of Afro pop recently, but I see that he recently transitioned to gospel. But now there is some scandal happening. He is accusing this guy, Prince Kaybee, of stealing his song. Wow. The whole Prince Kaybee. Butale is accusing Prince Kaybee of stealing a song. A song he says he once shared with him in 2021. I'll show you a video later. But before we go there, let me show you what has been happening on Facebook. I'm busy minding my things on Sunday, and then Butlale post. Look, yay! Skaka. Prince KB stole my song. You see this song trending? I sent it to him in 2021. Now he's using my melody without contacting me. And he says, lol. He even blocked me on TikTok now. And guess what? Prince KB responded. He didn't waste time. Interesting stuff. So Prince KB is like, where is the song you sent me? Share it here. Let's hear it, your mur. So Prince KB made another post on Facebook. He's like, hey, Wena's favor. Idols SA Botale Pora. You are wasting time. Share with us that song you said you sent me. Secondly, show me the means of communication where I communicated with you. Rieme, skare senyetsa nako mfana. Ke Sunday re batla ho apeya yo mur. Yo, guys, why is Prince KB fighting? That is my concern. Oh, that's my concern. And guess what? Butlali came back with files. This is Butlali now showing us the files to say he did communicate with Prince KB via email in 2021 in July. I think it was July here. He's like, oh, greetings, I'm Butlali Pora, Idols SA Season 13 Top 3. I'm a singer, songwriter, and I have a song that I believe you'd best execute as it suits your kind of sound. I would really appreciate it if you'd give it an ear and let me know what you think. Regards, Butlale. And he does attach a file there, which is an MP3 file, to say he's sending it to which email? bookings@lowkeyrecords.co.za, which is like Prince KB business email, I think. But I have something to show you guys. Butlale went on live on Facebook. Let me show you what he said, what Butlale has been doing on Facebook.
Hi guys, hope you guys are good. So kia butu olawa sefasho sesetinya, like Prince KB is saying. So my auntie, unfortunately, I'm definitely not gonna swear at you. I'm not gonna say all this nasty stuff about you. Because I'm not about to stoop that low to your level. So in 2021, I sent Prince KB a song titled Already via email. I mentioned him on TikTok and also mentioned him on Messenger and DM'd him on Messenger. Fast forward 2024. I saw this challenge. Quite a lot of people have taken part in the challenge. But when I listened to it, I was like, no, man, this is my song. And I just wanted to make sure that I sent it to him. So I went back to Instagram to check. I mentioned him. I went to TikTok. I mentioned him. And when I tried to send him an email to say, bro, I sent you this in 2021, I found that I've already sent the song, of which I wasn't sure. That's why I had to go check. And I went on TikTok and mentioned him and said, bro, I sent you this song in 2021. At least let me be the one to jump on it. Mbuzis. Abutalena blocked me from the get-go. And from that moment, that's where okay, so he thinks he's smart. So I went on Facebook to expose what he did. And the first thing that he did was to swear at me. Like I said, that's what he said. And again, evidence. I did post the evidence, of which the evidence got email. And then there's another one here, the song being registered on Samro. And there's the Instagram and also TikTok. So I don't know. Me auti. Horohana ga sutusi ga sip. It's not gonna help with anything. And I'm not gonna be quiet because now you are big and a lot of people who face about they are at the top. I'm definitely not gonna do that. If we do not stop you guys now, this will be a continuous thing to young and upcoming artists. Yes, you can say all this nasty stuff about me, and people again in the comment section saying all this nasty stuff about me. It's fine. I was expecting that when I posted on Facebook because it's given. It's always like that. They're always gonna stand up for you, and you know, they are below you. It's fine. Keep them coming, but I'm just stating facts.
So you guys heard what Botlale had to say about the live, about the song, about what happened, how he got in touch with Prince Kaybee and everything, and how he registered his own song and whatever. You guys probably will have something to say. You can comment down below and tell us what you think about this, because it happens all the time. Some people get duped, you know, they get rocked of their songs, you know, it happens. And then these big guys, they have lots of power. Sometimes you can't do anything. But Botlale is like, no ways. I am not taking this lying down. I'm gonna face it. And big ups to him, to Botlale, for standing up and speaking out about this kind of stuff, because it happens all the time in the music industry, where you find that a young up and coming artist shares a song with a producer of some note, whatever, and then the next thing, the song is playing on radio and they were not even acknowledged or credited or whatever. It happens a lot in the music industry. So it's good for Botlale to stand up. I hope he can get legal representation to go take this thing as far as it can, so that he can get whatever he deserves. Whatever belongs to him must go back to Botlale, if indeed that song it's his song. I also remember that challenge, but this story is still developing, guys. I'm coming back with another video which I'm going to talk about the song itself. Thanks for watching. Please like the video and then don't forget to subscribe.